So Russia, to my mind, will remain a central pillar of the global uh, environment going forward. Now, you hear and you have heard in the recent past a lot of conversation about how brittle the Russian system is and the potential for the Russia disintegrate the way the Soviet Union did in the late 1980s and early 1990s. I think that that assessment is well overdrawn. The fact is that Russia now, after the breakup of the Soviet Union, is largely an ethnic Russian country. 80% of the population is ethnic Russian. And I know of no case in history where a country that homogenous has broken up. Indeed, the only country of tremendous homogeneity that came close to breaking up was actually the United States in the middle of the 19th century during the Civil War. Simply on the basis of that situation, it is unlikely that Russia is going to break up not over the long term, but in the near future. There's a potential, of course, to lose the North Caucasus for various reasons. Always been a troubled part of the Russian state, the Russian Empire. But the loss of the North Caucasus does very little to change Russia's global position as a major power in world affairs.